Hello, my name is Samuli Arias. I'm 50 years old. I live in Bogota and I study agronomy. I am going to talk about Buffalo Southern Star. This festival is called Buffalo in Promos Reading through a cultural programs of national and international interest as organized exhibition. This fight is one of the most representative and traditional of our country. You should come this fight because you can learn or discover things about the guest country. In, in addition to that, you can meet architects, grinders, and designers who are located in panels and shown in the image. This invitation is extended so that you can learn more about this fair and take your of experience. This activity is realized in Corferias Bogotá, a mission as of but there is friendly wing, a mission in free. I wait for you at the good faith. See you soon.